Welcome back to Auto and Moto Insight, your ultimate destination for everything on wheels. If you're as passionate about cars and bikes as we are, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon so you never miss an update. Today we're diving deep into the 2025 Tata Safari, a modern SUV that blends heritage with innovation. The Tata Safari has always been an icon on Indian roads, but the 2025 edition takes things to a whole new level. With its refined design, cutting-edge technology, and advanced safety features, the new Safari is poised to redefine the SUV experience. Let's start with the design. The 2025 Safari boasts a bold and aggressive front fascia. The signature grille with chrome detailing makes a statement, while the sleek LED DRLs and adaptive matrix headlights enhance its road presence. On the sides, the 18-inch diamond-cut alloy wheels and sharp character lines give it a muscular yet elegant look. And at the rear, the new connected tail lamp design adds a premium touch that's impossible to ignore. Under the hood, Tata has equipped the Safari with an updated 2.0-liter Kryotec diesel engine, delivering 170 horsepower and 350 Nm of torque. For petrol enthusiasts, there's a new 1.5-liter turbocharged unit, producing 170 horsepower. Both options come with a choice of a 6-speed manual or a 6-speed automatic gearbox, ensuring a seamless driving experience. Tata has also introduced a mild hybrid system, improving fuel efficiency and reducing emissions, a win-win for eco-conscious buyers. Step inside and you'll immediately notice the luxurious cabin. The 2025 Safari comes with plush leatherette upholstery, ventilated seats, and ambient lighting that sets the perfect mood. The panoramic sunroof has been upgraded, offering a larger viewing area, which is perfect for long drives or stargazing. On the tech front, the new Safari is a game-changer. The 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system is powered by Tata's latest Connect Next OS, offering wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. There's also a fully digital 10.25-inch instrument cluster that provides customizable information at your fingertips. And for audiophiles, the JBL sound system delivers an immersive audio experience. Safety has always been a priority for Tata Motors, and the 2025 Safari doesn't disappoint. With over 30 advanced safety features including 6 airbags, a 360-degree camera, electronic stability control, and adaptive cruise control, you can drive with complete peace of mind. Tata has also integrated Level 2 ADAS technology, which includes lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and traffic sign recognition. Tata has priced the 2025 Safari competitively, starting at roughly $18,500 and going up to roughly $25 lakh for the top-end variant. With its unbeatable combination of design, performance, and features, the Safari is set to dominate the premium SUV segment. So what do you think about the 2025 Tata Safari? Does it tick all the right boxes for you? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Auto and Moto Insight. We'll be back soon with more exciting reviews, comparisons, and news from the world of automobiles. Until then, drive safe and stay passionate about the ride.